Okay, if they want us to cut this segment into a 2-to-1 ratio, that means that there's 3 total parts. 2 on one side and 1 on the other side. So that segment is 2/3. One side is going to be 2/3 the length of the other side. So we could do this with our math, or we can also, I mean, we're going to definitely do it with math, but we could do it, by drawing it out. What we want to do, the easiest way that I think it is to do it, is we can think of this as a right triangle. So we can see how much the x changed by and how much the y changed by, and we're only going to use 2/3 of that to find where the new point is. So this is 6, and this went down 2. So I don't want to go the whole 6 units though. I'm going to go 2/3 of 6. So if I do 2/3 times 6, that gives me 12 over 3, which is equal to 4. So I'm going to go 4 units from here, which would be here. And then for the other one, I went down 2. So -2, and I want, again, 2/3 of that. So remember, when we multiply these fractions, we'd have -4 over 3. We can change that to a decimal. -1.3. It's 1.3 repeating, but we'd round it. So for the y value, I'm going to go down from here. It was at 3. I'm going to go down, which is the -1.3. So 3 minus that gives me, for the y coordinate, 1.7. So the x coordinate is at, we can see, is at 2. And the y coordinate is at 1.7. So, mathematically, if we were doing this without the graph, we're going to take our original, -2, and we're going to add to that the difference between, I went from -2 to 4, that's 6, times 2/3, that's the x coordinate. The y coordinate is going to be the original, 3, plus I went down 2, so it's -2 times 2/3. And like I said, we can change these into decimals, just doing 2 divided by 3. And that's going to give me my same coordinates of 2, 1.7. Like I said, that's rounded off.